Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number, exercise 1. And we are at question number 8 now. Now, if you look at the question is asking us to find the value of n, smallest positive integer n, so that RHS is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. Now, in the earlier example, we saw 1 plus I and 1 minus I. So, we are going to solve whatever is inside the bracket first. And as I'm solving it, I will again ask you to remember this. So this is square and we get 1 plus I into 1 minus I, which is nothing but 2. And here we get 2I divided by 2. So this is nothing but I. So this whole thing inside is nothing but I. So the question is I to the power n is equal to 1. Now, if we remember the outer's power, first time it becomes 1 when either it is n is equal to 0, 4, and so on. So the powers of 4. So positive integer it is asking. So that means we will not take this value. So first time it becomes 1 is when n is equal to 4. So that's what. Thank you.